So, isa-isa na dumarating ang mga order natin, di ba? Para sa wellness ko. So, ayan. In order ko to para i-take before I eat for digestion. Hindi ko mabasa. Sign of aging. Sandali, hindi ko mabasa. Tada! Reading glasses is the key. Ang sabi, take 2 capsules every time you eat. Take 2 capsules before each meal or as directed by your healthcare provider. So may help alleviate gas and bloating, supports digestion and nutrients. Excited na akong gamitin to. So, we'll see. Nakita ko lang to so ito try natin. As we age, mahina na ang digestion natin. So, let's try! Happy Friday!